Hi students, I hope that you are doing good. For any student who wishes to join SCMPE crash course and wants to cover up the entire module, including theory, case studies and all the practical problems that are there in ICS module applicable for this attempt, then we are doing a crash course at Andheri. That is from 9th of August from 7 AM onwards. You can also avail the virtual options in case you all wish. The recordings of this will be available from 15th of August. Now this will be a course whereby I have launched 6th edition of my crash course. We are going to be covering everything in the module and one new thing. You're going to be getting backup of all the lectures through Google Drive. In the Google Drive, there is going to be a notes section like this. That is a soft copy of all my books, but in form of Google Docs. So what you all can do, example, this is say chapter number 12. You will be getting a hard copy of the books also. But in case you want, then this is one extra option that I've created. Say that you open chapter number 12. Once you do that, suppose below question number 1, you think that you want to be writing something important. Then what you can do, this is my copy. You can make a copy. There is a make a copy option. You click on that. The moment you click on that, then you can make a digital copy of this entire Google Docs, which will be your customized copy. Once that is done, you do the editing, whatever you all wish, whatever you forget, all those things you can write. Once it is done, you can download this file from Google Docs in many formats or in as many formats that you want. It could be a PDF format, it could be an EPUB format that is applicable in case you have a book reader or something. So all these options will be available to you. We are going to be starting this crash course from 9th of August. In case you are a fresher also, wants to be doing entire crash course within around say 90 hours, our 2 books will cover up this extensively. For any inquiries that you might have, you can call us on 8080324444, or you can always message us on our Telegram ID, which goes by the name of @AgenX. Thank you guys. Do take advantage of this. SCMP is one subject that do require guidance, how to be writing, how to be thinking. This is all business that we are trying to be teaching you all. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye. Take care.